Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to tackle one of the most common and time-consuming tasks in Excel, cleaning messy data. Whether you're working with imported data or user-entered spreadsheets, these tips will save you hours and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Tip 1. Remove extra spaces with trim. Sometimes you'll notice cells that look fine but don't behave correctly. That's usually due to hidden spaces. In order to remove extra space, first insert a new column in column B and name it Trimmed Full Name. Use the trim formula and select cell A2 and hit enter. This will remove the extra space. Now double-click the plus sign to copy the formula in all the cells in column B to clean the data instantly. This is especially useful when sorting or using VLOOKUP, as extra spaces can throw off your results. Now this Trimmed Full Name column has full name, but if you look closely, they are formula result. We need to convert this formula to value. This is really useful to avoid change of the data if formula is recalculated and produces the different data. To do that, select column B, copy the data, and then select Paste Special, which will open the Paste Special dialog box. Here you need to select value and click OK. This will convert formula to value. Tip 2. Split data with text to columns. Ever received a column with full names or addresses in one cell? Use the Text to Columns feature under the Data tab. In order to split full name into first name and last name, we need to first insert two columns which can hold the data for first name and last name. Select column C and D and then insert the column. Now select column B, go to Data and select Text to Column. In the Open dialog box, select Delimited and click Next, select Space. This tells Excel how to split the data of full name column. Click Next and select C2 cell as destination where split data would be copied, then click Finish. Now first name and last name will be split and show in column C and column D respectively. Tip 3. Use Find and Replace match case. Find and replace is your secret weapon. Let's say you want to replace manager with lead, but only if it's in proper case manager. Hit Ctrl+H, type manager, type lead, and check match case, and hit replace all. Now it only replaces exact matches. Great for case-sensitive cleanup. Tip 4. Highlight duplicates with conditional formatting. Want to find repeated names, emails, or IDs? Select your column, Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. Choose your color and instantly visualize repeated entries. No formulas needed. Data cleaning is the foundation of good analysis. By mastering these simple but powerful techniques, you'll turn messy spreadsheets into clean, professional datasets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.